Psoriasis is one such disease by which all round the world about 2.5% people are suffering. About 2.5% people in the world have psoriasis. Approximately 150 million people all over the world are suffering from this disease, and the medical science has no cure for this. No cure at all. At initial stages, doctors try to control it to some extent, but later on it becomes impossible. Leave aside the cure of this ailment. So what is the solution? Although all the organs function properly, when various tests are done such as MRI, CT scan, X-ray, ultrasound, blood test, everything comes normal. But some round spots appear over the skin. Skin is peeled off repeatedly. Slowly spots become bigger in size and gradually they spread all over the body to such an extent that severe itching starts. Finally, itching becomes unbearable. It is comparatively less on the face, although nowadays many people are getting it on the face also. Not a single part of the body is left unaffected. Even the inner as well as outer ear is affected. It occurs on head also. It starts appearing on the face also. So I was telling you, it appears heavily on the back. Hands and feet are affected very severely. So what should one do? What's the cure? Many times the sufferer starts thinking of committing suicide. Although it's a small disease, but it's very scary, very dangerous, to such an extent that many may have committed suicide. But now, you need not worry at all. You have the solution to this problem. What I have seen, what I have experienced, I am sharing that with you. In my opinion, if you have psoriasis, you need not worry at all. Just do one thing, practice pranayam. Kapalbhati pranayam for 15 to 20 minutes. In case of severe problem, practice for 30 minutes. Half an hour Kapalbhati, half an hour Anulom Vilom. These two pranayams will eradicate this disease completely, 100%. It will be eradicated. People suffering for 15 years, 20 years, those suffering from psoriasis from last 30 years have been benefited. I have helped them. That is why I am telling you. You also must have seen in our camps, they say 15-year-old, 20 years old problem of psoriasis has now been cured. It's a reality. It's happening. And if you are also suffering from psoriasis and you have practiced pranayam, then you yourself are an example. Your psoriasis will also be cured. But how? By pranayam. Not only psoriasis, even eczema, 20 years old, 30 years old, which appears incurable, has been cured permanently. Psoriasis cured permanently. Pimples disappear very fast. Whether they have appeared due to young age or have appeared later on, which looks like a skin disease. There are physical changes, there are hormonal changes. So in adolescence, young age, many people, in majority of them, pimples appear heavily or slightly. In Sanskrit language, it is called Yuvan Pidika. It is generally called pimples, and in Hindi, we call them Keel Muhase. Pimples are cured 100% by pranayam. Just drink more water. Keep your stomach clean. If you feel very hot, then just consume some amla powder. Amla is very effective. Even drinking water in morning is effective. If there is heat in your body, you have dhatu rog, suffer from problem of licudia, then take leaves of shisham also. Shisham leaves are very good for ladies. It helps to cure licodia problem, and similarly it helps to cure sexual diseases in males. And in teenagers and young people, the problem of nightfall is also cured with this. You must take shisham leaves and also consume amla powder. They are very good for your pimples. Now for eczema, for psoriasis, and for one more dangerous disease, scleroderma. This disease has not yet been investigated thoroughly. In scleroderma, the skin becomes so tough that if you hit like this, it appears that you are hitting on a stone. or on some wall or on some metal iron. When you hit your skin anywhere, like this, it appears that you are hitting on a metallic